Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I told you that I was not going to watch Umkhokha the Curse anymore. My heart cannot take it, and I honestly meant it. So what I decided to do is to read out the teaser for you, and then you guys will keep on coming here. But September is not looking good. I cannot. I tried. I cannot. My heart is too fragile. Umkhokha is going to kill me. All right. This is what's going to happen on Umkhokha in September 2024. Monday the 2nd of September. Pack your bags and go. Khulekani pushes for Manzemande's punishment, forcing Siphamandla to take drastic measures. The new faction causes Gabisile heartburn. An old couple breathe new life into their relationship. Tuesday the 3rd of September. One bull makes a way. Khulekani takes a decision that leaves them Tembus appalled. Ndlovu is infuriated that his wives didn't go through an unspeakable act. Gabisile ostracizes. Guys, it's English. Sibahle out of the Young Virgins group. Hit me. Siphamandla's heart breaks. Oh, that's Wednesday the 4th of September. Hit me. Siphamandla's heart breaks when he fully grasps the depth of his rivalry with his brother. Ndlovu makes a big sacrifice for Khulekani, and Manzemande wants to square up with Nomkhosi. Thursday the 5th of September. The church staff. Siphamandla refuses to carry a fake staff. Ndlovu impresses Khulekani with a genius new idea to differentiate themselves from the original Amajudia. Mamzobe tells Ngema to apologize to Difa. Friday the 6th of September. Chaos etempeleni lenkosi. Chaos reigns supreme at the table as two harriers face off. Manzemande stares shame in the face. Mamzobe hasn't learned any lesson, clearly. Clearly she hasn't. Monday the 9th of September. The truth shall set you free. Siphamandla refuses to meet with Khulekani and Nomkhosi. Khulekani finally sees Nomkhosi for who she is. But we all know he won't do anything, right? Tuesday the 10th of September. Truth and reconciliation. Ndlovu reveals in his role in Khulekani's faction. Nokubonga pushes his dialogue between Mabusi and Nomkhosi. Gabisile has an idea to benefit from Ngema's determination to prove himself to the Gumedes. Wednesday the 11th of September. Fighting dirty. The fight for Mamkhululi intensifies despite Nokubonga's best attempts to bring peace. Mamzobe finds the opening she was looking for and does a grand gesture for her Mkhululi. That's obviously Khulekani. Tuesday the 19th of September. The car. Sfortria's alliance shifts dramatically as he bows before a new Mkhululi. Oh my God. Okay, sorry for that. Sfortria alliances shift dramatically as he bows before a new Mkhululi, sending shockwaves through the room. Manzemande fears make her push a councilman into a very difficult position. Friday the 13th of September. Battle for the church grounds. The shims between the two churches widens and things descend into chaos. Maphalala is disturbed by a dark vision which he cannot interpret. Gabisile and Sabelo's friendship blossom. Monday the 16th of September. The aftermath. The commotion and violence amongst Amajutia claim an innocent life. The two camps blame each other for the day's calamity. Tuesday the 17th of September. Words fail. Words fail me. Question mark. Gabisile is devastated after a devastating death. Manzemande decides to go to the mountains to pray until something shifts. Siphamandla and Khulekani are served with summons from the court. Wednesday the 18th of September. Accusations. Negotiations over the coexistence of the two churches take another turn. Manze decides that she's not going to eat until her sons make amends. Gabisile and Ngema bond over their loss. Thursday, the 19th of September. There's only one Mkhululi. One of the Mkhululis refuses coexisting. Mabusi and Nokubonga's plan to make Manzimande eat backfires, and Ndlovu's wives face the music for accusing him. Friday, the 20th of September. My life is in your hands, my sons. Khulekani scoffs at his mother's fast. Gabisile unites the virgins in honor of Sabelo. Mazungu thinks Nokubonga is on a train to nowhere. Monday, the 23rd of September. Men shall not live on bread alone. While the Mtembu brothers deal with the politics of the church, Manzimande's body takes a beating from the perpetual fast and her health is compromised. Gabi mourns a loved one. Tuesday, the 24th of September. Brought together by grief. The family worries about Manzimande's mental state. The Mtembu Makotis blame themselves for Manzimande's condition. Difa is worried about giving testimony at the inquiry. Wednesday, the 25th of September. I was mad, but now I'm fine. Ndlovu wants to pin a death on Difa and Spamandla's camp. Nobuntu is shocked when Nokubonga reveals a secret. Ndlovu approaches Mamzobe with a plan that could sink Spamandla's church. Thursday, the 26th of September. Mkhululi, his right hand, and the killer. Mkhululi is conflicted about telling the truth. Khulekani is the Mkhululi that they're talking about here is Khulekani. Khulekani is conflicted about telling the truth. The two churches are almost shut down before the killer confesses. Friday, the 27th of September. I spilled innocent blood. Khulekani gives up the church grounds, but Mtembu demands even more. Manzimande trials are far from over, and Ndlovu's plans face resistance from his wife. Monday, the 30th of September. The new battlefield for worship. In a heated clash, secrets and accusations fly as Mabusi and Nobuntu confront each other with past betrayals. As tensions escalate, someone steps in to prevent, as tension escalates, someone steps in to prevent chaos from infringing his home. Guysini, this is what's going to happen in Umkhokha. We might think ukuthi when Mkhululi says Khulekani must surrender the church grounds and that's not all, it's over. But we know ukuthi this is far from over. In which month is this? In October, they will still be fighting for the church. So Mina and my heart are not ready for that, and I'm going to leave it here. This is your girl, Disebe D. Thank you for watching. See you very soon, my landlords. I love you. Peace. Bye.